Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I'm recording a really quick video right here, but definitely one y'all don't want to miss. What we are going to be discussing is the upcoming VERDY SB Dunk Low. This is how they're going to be dropping towards the end of this summer or right at the start of fall 2024. And you guys can see very, very interesting SB Dunk Low. Just because of all the bright colors on this one, it's very hard for me to get it to focus. But, you know, I got everything else with it, you know, the other laces that come with it, the hang tag, all that stuff, which I will show you all in this video. So I hope you guys will enjoy this early pair review. If you guys do want more sneaker content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. You guys can also check out my Instagrams. Again, that's always you know, where I'm posting my early photos and also buying, selling, trading kicks there. So if you ever want to do business with me, just check that out, and you guys can see that on my story. And don't forget, this video should be out on the last day of the military blue giveaway. So if you go to my Instagram, the pinned reel, this is the last day where you can enter for that military blue giveaway, because tomorrow we're gonna have a winner announced. So make sure you guys are ready for that. But that's everything I need to say. Why don't we get into reviewing this early pair? I mean, again, I'm gonna make sure I take the time to, you know, let it focus the camera, focus on the sneaker, because again, all the bright colors make it a little bit difficult for it. But why don't we get into some of these details? Very, very unique SB Dunk Low, and again, gonna be dropping later this year. So just, you know, the regular cream box with it, nothing like out of the ordinary. You know, there might be a special box pair, but I'm not too sure about that. I'm more or less waiting for the info, because, you know, right now I'm making this video in May. I'm waiting for the info. Maybe we'll see a special box for the Futura SB. I think that'd be cool. I haven't seen anything yet. We've seen an F&F pair, so I mean, I guess that is, you know, the, you know, kind of special pair for it. But aside from that, why don't we just kind of dive into some of the up close details on this one. So as you guys can see right here, we got kind of this bright green fur, as you all can see. So this is not like a suede material, anything right here. I originally thought it was in some of the photos I was looking at, but this is definitely not a suede material right here. This is a fur. Also, you guys can see it's like straight up just kind of like some furry stuff. Very, very interesting, but that is what we're going with, and it kind of matches you know, with the concept I'll show you in a second, because keep in mind this is a collaboration with VERDY, which is right there on the tongue tag on both of the sneakers. So hopefully you guys can see that, and I'll show you in a second what the colorway of the sneaker is based off, but you guys can see all the details right there, kind of the yellow midsole, how that matches with the laces, also the sole we got on these, kind of that solid you know, it's the green colorway that matches, or green color, again, that is right here on the fur. It's also the same one we got in the soles. So pretty simple and easy to say that. We also got the pink swoosh. That is going to be matching, you know, with the fur that's going around here by the heel. And you guys can see that says Nike in kind of that cartoonish font. And that also says that on the back of the other ones. That is the same on the heels of both the sneakers. So just keep that in mind. No differences there. I'm going to get that to focus a little bit better, because keep in mind I said I was going to be doing that in this video, making sure everything is focused when we're talking about it. So again, I want to show you all that. You can see there you go. It says Nike in that cartoonish font. The fur is like going way off the shoe. So keep in mind, you cannot be wearing these in the rain or they're ruined. You know, if the fur gets wet, you know, it's going to be very, very hard to clean it or get it back to its original state. So this is one of those ones you got to be pretty careful with wearing. And the prices are pretty crazy right now, going for over $1,000 at the moment, which is pretty wild. But I mean, that's kind of to be expected with the early SB, and considering how hyped SBs are at the moment. And also, these are going to be very, very limited. There also will be a black and white colorway. I do not have that one yet, but keep in mind, this is the hang tag that they come with. I want to show you all that. This is you know, kind of that VERDY, you know, kind of plush or cartoon, the kind of furry that this whole sneaker is based off. And maybe you can see kind of where the colorway is coming from with that pink, kind of that brighter green, and that yellow. And you can also see the laces that we got with these right there, kind of that yellow set. I think there was another one in there. I think there might be a green pair. I could be getting incorrect information on that, but that's the set that we got right there, you know, with the hang tag on them, and that is what, you know, the overall colorway of the sneaker is based off. And you guys can also see it says Nike and VERDY on the back of that right there. So I just want to show you all that, let that focus. Here we go. Hopefully that were, there you go. So you guys can see that's what it says in the back of the hang tag. Overall, very, very cool. We also got some unique insoles on these. Definitely want to show you all those. But don't forget, on the back of the tongue tag, we got a very big design right there. Same one I was on the hang tag. You can see it's on the skateboard as well. Very cool. SB collapse. I mean, yeah, you got to do something like that, you know, show some tribute right there. And that is also on the back of the other sneaker right there, as you guys can see. So hopefully y'all can also see we got the whole VERDY plush, which is also on the insole right there. So I will show you all this because I know some of you guys were curious about seeing this right here. So I'll go ahead and show you guys one of the insoles right here. So here is what we got with one of the insoles. As you guys can see, it is that plush I was discussing on the skateboard. You can see it says the VERDY logo right there. So there's the whole insole. Very, very cool. Overall pretty unique. I thought that this is something cool, you know, to see, because a lot of these SB collaborations recently have had unique insoles. So seeing that in this pair, them not forgetting that little detail, I think that was good to see. So aside from that, I'm just going to make sure I get that packed back in there correctly. Don't want to damage anything right there. But yeah, if anybody's interested in this pair, just hit me up on my Instagram. Again, it is a size 10. Just let me know. But yeah, that's what I can say at the moment. These are going for some pretty crazy bread. There's the insoles on them. Overall, very interesting colorway. But they're going to be a very limited shoe as well. There's not going to be a lot of these produced. But probably the part of the sneaker I would say I'm the biggest fan of is the choice of materials they decided to use. I think it's very unique. We haven't seen something like this, I don't think, in a minute or maybe ever on a SB Dunk Low. Again, I could be forgetful. Could be something pretty, maybe with some similar fur material to this, but I don't think we have seen anything like this. So it's just cool to see something that's a little bit different in the game. I know some people are really, really not rocking with this one, which I can understand. I don't think this would be a shoe that I would necessarily wear, but as a collector's piece, I mean, definitely, it's just a cool one to have. And that's kind of how I feel more the a lot of people, treat the actual VERDY plush, right? The thing that this hang tag's, based off. I feel like a lot of people treat that plush more or less is just kind of as a collectible, and that's how I feel like people will treat this shoe. So that's what I can mention about these. They are dope, right? I mean, it is a unique pair. That's why I like them. I can totally understand somebody's perspective of being like, yo, these are whack, I don't rock with them. Again, that is totally understandable, but I'm rocking with them for being a little bit different. I think the colorway is nice as well. So yeah, that is what I can show you guys about the VERDY SB Dunk Low early in terms of the overall colorway, some of the up close details. Keep in mind that fur. I want to show you all the inside kind of portion of the sneaker. Again, that pink fur, green one. Very, very interesting again that they decided to do that, but hey, that's what we got going on. And then again, that cartoonish font on the Nike Air by the back of the sneakers. But again, here's kind of like an additional shot of them so you guys can see them going all around. Very colorful sneaker. And I think in the lady sizes, like smaller sizes, like 6, 7, 8, I think these will, or maybe even like 5.5, those ones, this will probably be going for some decent money just because I feel like my ladies will really like this shoe. But I can totally understand the idea of being like, yo, I don't rock with these at all. But I wonder also how the creases are going to show. If creases will show, again, might not show as badly just because, the fur material is not really going to be, showing that as much just because there's so much of it. I mean, look, it's like going off the toe box almost. Like it's there, you know what I mean? You can notice that. But again, unique tongue tag on both of them, unique insoles, and again, you got the hang tag with that one, kind of the bright yellow laces, which are matching the midsole section of this sneaker. So yeah, very, very unique. Overall, I'm a fan of this collaboration just for that, uniqueness factor, the little hang tag it comes with. I think all those little things are cool. Wouldn't be shocked if, we see some other unique details on the sneaker, maybe an FNF pair, something like that. I think that might be the black and white pair, may turn FNF, but we'll see. I think we'll have 2 colorways released to the public for this one. I'll have more information soon, but let me know how y'all are feeling about this one right here. Overall, just a unique SB Dunk Low. We ain't seen nothing like this. So aside from that, I'll get into the outro in a second, but why don't I show you guys some B-roll shots of, how these look, and we'll get into that. Oh guys, while I was filming my B-roll, as you guys can see some other laces it comes with, these blue and kind of green ones, so pretty much same color as this fur, and also this material right here. Those laces, as you guys can see on the inside. Wanted to show you all that, so there we go. So anyways, we are at the outro right here. Again, let me know how y'all are feeling about the VERDY SB Dunk Low. Here, I'm gonna show y'all, a little hang tag with them right here also. So yeah, don't forget, let me know your thoughts on everything we got with the shoe. Very, very unique. And if anybody's interested in this pair, it's a size 10, just hit me up on my Instagram. They are pricey, but if anybody is interested in getting them early, hey, this is definitely going to be a limited pair collector's item to have. And yeah, that's what I can mention about these. So just let me know your thoughts on them overall. Again, I think the main reason people like this collaboration is people that, are fans of VERDY and already has past work. Maybe people that have, the actual plushie would probably want this shoe. I think some things like that will, lead to the sneaker being popular, and also just the fact that they're going to flip for a bunch of money. So, a bunch of people that are reselling are going to go for them. So that's what I can mention. They'll hit skate shops. They'll probably hit sneakers too. If they end up doing 2 colorways, hopefully they'll drop both on, sneakers app. So that is what I can say. Let me know your thoughts on this shoe. Again, very, very different. And I'm a fan. So that's what I can mention about these. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the VERDYs. And don't forget to check me out on IG down below if any of you guys are interested in purchasing this pair. You can subscribe and like for more early reviews. Just try and hit 200 on this video, and yeah, just let us know y'all want more content like this. It is as simple as that. So hopefully y'all enjoy the B-roll shots, the quick up close review, and some information about this release. I didn't really say too much about VERDY, but we will get into that more as we get closer to release day. Just wanted to give y'all a quick look at this pair, and also I got to be quick with editing this video. Your boy's got some plans and stuff to do tonight, but and also UPS delivered this pair at like 6 o'clock, and I'm like, dude, I checked it this morning. It was like by 7 p.m. and it delivered right at 6 p.m. So I was like, technically they were right, but I was like, dang, right at the end of the day, you know what I mean? It's like I had to wait all day, but you know what I mean? Sometimes it's how it is, and we're still getting the review out. So let me know your thoughts on this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Just leave, you know, anything you think about this shoe in the comments, and will you be copping? Let me know. But I will catch you on the next one, and see you guys then. Check out my IGs below. Don't miss out on the giveaway. See y'all then. Peace.